My name is Bradley. I have a new innovative product, and it's going to be one of the best in the industry. Can I have quiet on the set, please? Action!
Hey Brandy, what are you up to?
I'm redoing the stool I just got.
Oh, I have the Bradley sanding block too, but it has a used piece of sandpaper on. Can you show me how to redo the sandpaper?
Yeah, super easy. I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna take your sanding block off first. Sandpaper. You're gonna take the standard sandpaper that you can find at your store. You're gonna fold it in half. Nice and even. You're gonna cut it so it's the right size. Then you're going to take half the sanding paper and you're going to put it in the grooves right here. And you're going to start folding it around. You're going to really crease it. Make sure it stays in there. Wrap it around, nice and tight. Then you're going to take it off. And you're going to do the second side, making sure that you real nice tight groove. And then you take it off again. Make sure your grooves are really nice and tight. And then you're going to make a tube with it. And you're going to take your sanding block. And you're just going to slide it right in, just like that. And that's how you do it.
Okay, brand new piece of sandpaper. Slide it into the groove. Go around, folding the sandpaper nice and tight. And remembering to take it off for the last side of the groove. And then I'm going to tighten up all of my folds here. Just like so. And then I need to make my tube here and slide it right onto the block.
And there you go.
Great, now I'm ready for sanding.
Happy sanding.
Sanding paper that I slide in here.
Let me start over.
To slide the block in.
Yep. Cut.